Hey guys, I'm Ishan and this is the Pokemon Empyrean hack God Mode. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Important note, if you skip any part of this video, you're probably going to lose your save file, so please don't come saying to me that I didn't tell you. Now that aside, for those who don't know what God Mode is, well, here you go. God Mode is a special modification to games like these in order to make you feel like a god in game, or in short, cheats. Lots of cheats. Next up, to download this hack, just go to the link in the description and then click on I'm not a robot, unless you actually are, or even if you are, I don't care. Now just press on the big blue continue here and then wait for 5 seconds, although it started with a 6. Then just click on get link and you will be redirected to the download page. Why am I doing this? Well, I'm broke, that's why. Next is the installation part. Now don't skip this part because if you do, you will definitely lose your save file. First off, take the zip file I gave, paste it into a new folder wherever you want to store it, then go inside the folder, open the readme and proceed to what it says. Just copy the game.rx data from your old game to my folder of the game and press replace. Then you can play your game without putting your house on fire. And finally, we come to the how the f do I use this part. Well, the usage is pretty simple and you would already know it if you haven't skipped the previous part. And just for the sake of this video, I am going to explain it anyways. So press F6 or Fn plus F6 to teleport to the special island created by me that has like 16 or 17 hacks, and press F7 or Fn plus F7 to enable the debug mode. But to use the debug menu, you will have to press the F9 or Fn plus F9 button. And finally, oh wait, I've already done that. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon and I will see you in the next video.